I've come today to some woods just up the road from the Cern Abbas giant, actually. And I thought, rather than just have a wander around the woods today, what we're going to do is take a really close look at a few things. We're going to see if looking very close might hold some visual treats in store. You know, the moss. Perhaps we'll find some tiny fungi. I mean, this tree is quite spectacular, even standing here. But what does it look like if we get that little bit closer? The moss contains entire tiny worlds. Drops of dew sparkle and bejewel the branches. Next year's catkins on the hazel. Wait patiently for the warmer days of spring, when they will burst open and release their pollen. Many of the other trees have now shed their leaves, but the beech holds on, as if to draw autumn out until spring. And it is said that kissing is out of season when gorse is out of flower. How festive the hips of the rose. A Christmas treat for a hungry bird, perhaps. What price this jewel-encrusted band? The price free for those who would seek it. The spiny bramble stems, naked, sleeping now. But the tight buds dream of the promise of next year's luscious fruits. What manner of creatures, we may wonder, shelter beneath this tiny parasol? The lichens that encrust the stones and trunks and boughs of ancient oaks measure not the time in hours or days or even years, but decades, centuries, ages. So I hope you've enjoyed this little time of reflection in the forest. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll join us again tomorrow for the next door in the Advent calendar.